Students, today I'm here with format of net operating income approach. As of now, we have seen meaning of capital structure theories. Then we have seen the format of net income approach, and we have also solved two problems based on net income approach. Now today we'll solve some problems based on net operating income approach. Earlier video was on net income approach and now it is on net operating income approach. Okay, here you can see this is format for net operating income approach. The very first thing is net operating income or EBIT. We have to take EBIT, earning before interest and tax, first. Then second will be overall capitalization rate, that is KO. If you remember, in earlier video we have solved problem based on net income approach and our final answer was overall capitalization rate, and that final answer will come here as second point, overall capitalization rate, and this will be given in your problem. Earning before interest and tax will also be given in the problem, and overall capitalization rate also you can see it will be given in the problem. Now your EBIT divided by this rate will be your total value of firm. Okay, then third thing will be less market value of debt. Now debt value will be given in the problem. We have to deduct that market value of debt from this total value of firm. You will get present market value of equity. Then fourth step will be present equity capitalization rate. Now to calculate this, we will use this formula: earning before interest and tax minus interest divided by present market value of equity multiplied by 100. You will get rate, present equity capitalization rate. And the fifth step will be present weighted average cost of capital. This will be your last step, and to calculate this, the very first thing will be your rate of interest. This will be the rate of interest on debenture or bank loan. So we have to take a rate of interest over here, say 12%, 10%, 8%, like that. Then in bracket, value of debenture divided by value of firm. Now this value of firm usually includes debt and equity both, right? So value of debt, your debenture value, and value of firm, here this is your total value of firm, so this value will come here, plus KE, that is cost of equity. You will get this percent over here, and in bracket market value of equity, this is here market value of equity divided by value of firm, again this value. These two values are same, only value of debenture and value of equity. This is rate of interest and this is capitalization rate of equity, and this will be your final answer. This is rate, this is also rate. Fourth step will be rate, fifth step will be rate. So this is your format for net operating income approach. On this basis we will solve problem. Here you can see problem number 5, page number 204. AB Limited has an EBIT of 2 lakhs. The very first thing we need is this EBIT, earning before interest and tax, and it is 2 lakhs. The company has 8% debentures of 5 lakhs. So debenture value is 5 lakhs and rate of interest is 8%. Presuming the overall capitalization rate, now you can see here overall capitalization rate is 10%. Okay. Compute the present total value of company and equity capitalization rate. What we have to calculate here, value, total value of firm and equity capitalization rate. The company decides to raise, now here you can see the company decides to raise sum of rupees 2 lakhs through debt and 8% at 8% and use the proceeds to pay off the equity shareholders. This is another proposal. Okay, this is your, this information is for existing structure of company, and now they are giving proposal over here. They want to raise more fund of 2 lakhs by way of the company decides to raise the sum of 2 lakh through debt. So they are issuing debentures of 2 lakhs, okay, to redeem, to pay off means to redeem the equity shareholders. Now this is existing proposal and this is proposed proposal. Then compute the proposed total value of company and also the proposed equity capitalization rate. Use net operating income approach. They are saying use operating income approach. Now we'll solve this problem. Here you can see statement showing present value of company. This is existing structure. Now the very first thing is earning before interest and tax. We have seen the problem is saying earnings are 2 lakhs, so I can write 2 lakhs over here. Now overall capitalization rate, they are saying overall capitalization rate is 10%, so this is 10%. Now we will divide this, so 2 lakhs divided by 10%, you will get 20 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakh divided by 10% will be 20 lakhs less market value of debt. Now how much debentures we have? 5 lakhs. So we will deduct 5 lakhs from this 20 lakhs. Then we'll get present market value of equity, and this is 15 lakhs. Okay. Now the next step is present equity capitalization rate. This is rate and we have to find the rate. How you will find this rate? EBIT minus interest. Now EBIT was 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs minus interest on debentures. Now here debentures are 5 lakhs and rate of interest is 8%. So 8% on 5 lakh will be 40,000 divided by your present market value of equity. Now present market value of equity is 15 lakhs. Okay, multiplied by 100. 2 lakhs minus 40,000 will be 1 lakh 60 divided by 15 lakhs multiplied by 100. If we calculate this, we'll get 10.6666 recurring. So we can write this rate as 10.67%. Okay, present equity capitalization rate is 10.67. And the last step now, present weighted average cost of capital, that is WACC. How you will calculate this? Rate of interest into bracket value of debt divided by total value of firm plus cost of equity into bracket market value of equity divided by market value of firm. Now rate of interest, if we see, our rate of interest is 8%. So 8% into bracket market value of debt was of 5 lakhs and total value of firm is 20 lakhs. Plus cost of equity. Here we have got cost of equity, it is 10.67 into bracket market value of equity. Market value of equity is 15 lakhs divided by market value of firm, it is 20 lakhs. Here it is 20 lakhs, it is 20 lakhs. Now we have to calculate this. First we'll divide this and then we'll multiply with this 8. Now don't apply this percent sign. How you will calculate? 5 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs then multiplied by 8. Okay, not 8%. Now if you calculate this 5 lakh divided by 20 lakhs multiplied by 8, you will get 2.8. Okay, plus this 15 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs multiplied by 10.67, you will get 7.202. So instead of 202 you can write as 7.2. if we add this 2.8 plus 7.2 we'll get 10. So our present weighted average cost of capital, that is WACC, is 10. Okay, and this is your final answer. And now we'll see proposal. For proposal, they are saying they are issuing 2 lakhs of debenture of 8% and use the proceeds to pay off equity shareholders. Okay, so they are only saying about debenture value. They have not given anything about earnings, new earnings or new equity. They are not saying anything about other things. Okay, so they have given only information about debenture, so we'll use that value and solve this proposed policy. Now earnings before interest and tax will be same. Earlier it was of 2 lakhs. Now overall capitalization rate was 10%. So again this will be 20 lakhs. Now market value of debt. Earlier it was 5 lakhs and now we are raising more fund by of 2 lakhs. So 5 lakhs plus 2 lakhs will be 7 lakhs. So this will be 7 lakhs. Now 20 lakhs minus 7 lakhs will be 13 lakhs. Okay, so 13 lakhs is our present market value of equity. Now next, fourth step is present equity capitalization rate, that we have to find out. Now EBIT was 2 lakhs, interest 8% on 7 lakhs. This will be 56,000 divided by market value of equity. Now market value of equity, that is present market value of equity, is 13 lakhs. So we'll take 13 lakhs over here multiplied by 100. Now 2 lakhs minus 56,000 divided by 13 lakhs into 100. If we calculate this, we'll get 11.0769231. So we can write this as 11.07%, or you can write it as 11.08%. So our present equity capitalization rate is 11.08%. Now the next step is present weighted average cost of capital. The rate of interest, it was 8%. Value of debenture for this will be 7 lakhs. Value of debt 7 lakhs. Value of firm is 20 lakhs. Same. Here you can see your value of firm is 20 lakhs plus cost of equity. Cost of equity we have got 11.08% into bracket value of equity. The market value of equity is 13 lakhs divided by value of firm, again it is 20 lakhs. If we calculate this, how you will calculate? 7 lakhs multiplied 7 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs multiplied by 8. It's 2.8. And if we calculate this, 13 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs multiplied by 11.08 will get again same 7.202. So we can write it as 7.2. If we add this, we'll get 10. So again our present weighted average cost of capital is 10. Here you can see for existing policy, the present weighted average cost of capital is 10, and proposed policy also the weighted average cost of capital is same, 10%, 10%. You can see our market value of total market value of company, that is value of firm, was 20 lakhs. Means even after raising debt fund, there is no effect on total value of the company. Okay, then even there is no effect on weighted average cost of capital. The rate is same, 10%, 10%. Only what thing is affected is present equity capitalization rate. If we see, present equity capitalization rate in existing policy was 10.67%, and in our new, that is proposed policy, the rate is 11.8%, which usually shows that there is a high risk premium due to this extra debentures.